Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair NUROUM headphones with iPhone. And to do this, we'll need to open a Bluetooth list on our iPhone. You can do this by clicking on the Bluetooth right here and go for Bluetooth settings. Now look on the other devices and our headphones will show up here when we enter pairing mode. And speaking of which, we'll need to enter a pairing mode on these headphones, and you can do this by making sure that your headphones are powered off. So yep, mine are now powered off, and we want to click on the volume down key. This is minus right here, and on the power key right here. Hold them for a few seconds until you see the LED lamp flashing, and again. Yep, now they're in the pairing mode. We can see them in other devices. Click on it to start pairing, and they are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.